Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting your Cash App login code before you assume something is wrong with your account? The fix is almost always in your iPhone settings. Here's exactly what to change. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone and check if Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is turned on. If either one of those green icons is showing, tap on it to turn it off. They block incoming verification code messages. Secondly, go to your settings and then search for phone. Scroll down to silence unknown callers and make sure that it is switched off. Cash App sends verification codes from automated numbers that your iPhone treats as unknown and silences automatically if this setting is on. Third, go to your iPhone settings once again and then go to General. Scroll down to VPN and device management and make sure no VPN is running. VPNs cause Cash App login codes to fail every time. Fourth, go to settings again and then search for messages and make sure iMessages and standard SMS are both working. Sometimes a carrier issue stops short code messages like login codes from arriving. Try restarting your iPhone completely after making these changes. So all you gotta do is turn off focus mode, turn off silence unknown callers, disable VPN and restart. Your login